Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talking about the message dialog box in Python 3 Tkinter. In our last lecture, we are just studying about the message box in Python. We are just simply showing the showing the text or the content to the message dialog box. But here we are just using dialog box in Python. Dialog boxes are commonly used GUI element to provide feedback to the user and also to promote the user for information to take an action. For example, here a simple message box, you just say that it is pressing the OK or cancel. So this is just for ask from you that OK or cancel the button. Let's just see the coding example of this Python message dialog box. So let's just see, I just import the library of Tkinter right here, and here I just write from Tkinter and import message box. Okay, now here I just write that root which is equal to Tkinter and dot tk, and then here I just write root dot withdraw. So what is that? This is simply hide the main window. Okay, this is just for hiding the main window. Now I just write here message dot or message box dot show error. And what is the error right here? So I just simply print the error right here, and the error here is, I just write this is error message. This is our first statement what we are just writing on the message dialog box, like on the title screen. Okay, so this is simply printing the error here. Now I just write that message dialog box and dot show warning sign, and the warning sign here is, I just write here warning. So warning, like here it is printing just a warning, means a red sign, and inside the red sign this is a minus sign in the red sign. So that is simply like a warning sign. So here I just print the warning message, and then after that I just write that message box dot show info, and show info is simply, I just write here information, and then here I just write that informative message. Okay, so this is how we are just using the Tkinter message dialog box. Firstly, as you can see here, I just simply show the message box, and then after that I just write that this is show warning message and then show info message. So this is simply the example of the message dialog box in Python. Let's just see the output of this. Run as a message dialog box. So you can see here there is an error message. You can see here error, this cut signature, and then error message. I said okay. You can see here this is warning, it's printing the warning right here, and then this is the warning message. Then I just press OK, and as you can see here, this is the information and this is the informative message with the glyph icon, or you just say that this is a glyph icon simply. So this is the simple example what we are just using with this Tkinter course. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.